This was a water heater that wasn't venting properly, which created condensation on top of the heater, creating all this rust. This is going to show you how to check to make sure that a water heater is venting properly. Right here is what you want to see. The smoke should be drawn into the flue from outside the intake area and move clearly and cleanly up and into the flue pipe. This is for an atmospheric vent water heater. Not all water heaters will vent this way, but if yours looks like this is what you want to see. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.